Another impossible pie? Let's try chicken teriyaki. In some vegetable oil, I need to cook a few chopped green onions. A drained can of sliced watered chestnuts, not my favorite thing. And half a cup of shredded carrots. You like carrots, Jim. I'm gonna add a cup of cooked chicken, shredded, and a half cup of teriyaki marinade. Let's cook that up for a few minutes and allow the veggies to soften. Spray a pie dish and add that to the bottom of your pie dish. Grab a bowl. We need half a cup of Bisquick, a cup of milk, and 2 eggs. Whisk until blended and pour it on top. And cook it on 400 for 30 minutes. Teriyaki Chicken Impossible Pie. It's good. Fun flavors. I'll give it a 6.4. What's purple and 5,000 miles long? The Great Wall of China. If you want to see more JimPossible Pies, because I love them so much, check out my playlist. It's over here.